To construct a point, tap the Point tool. A preview appears of a glowing point. Tap or drag to place it. I'll tap to construct the point here. The tool is complete, and I can drag the point anywhere I like. To continue, I'll construct a point that's attached to segment AB. I'll tap the Point tool, and then tap the segment. The point is now attached to the segment. In this next example, I'll create a point at the intersection of these two lines. I'll tap the intersection to place the point. But oops, I tapped the wrong place. That doesn't matter. I can still drag my point to the intersection, and when both lines are highlighted, I'll let go to attach the point. To keep the Point tool active, I'll double tap it. Now I can keep constructing points, one after the other, and when I'm done, I'll tap X to dismiss the tool.